Hey, what is up guys, I'm Ankon, and in this video I will be showing you that how you can access, modify, edit, delete your PC files wirelessly right through from your Android device. Sounds like interesting, so let's get started. It's pretty easy. You don't have to download any kind of application in the Windows because this feature is built in the Windows Explorer. All are workable in the Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows 7, whatever OS you have, it's always working, and you don't have to download any kind of additional software. And it is very easy. You just have to create a local area, secured local area network between your phone and your PC, that your PC will let files modifying, accessing from your mobile device. So to do this thing, you just have to go to the Windows Explorer or Windows File Manager, whatever you call, and then select the drive or a folder that you want to share. As example, I want to share this folder, the sport video, with everyone. Here to do this, you just have to right click on the folder and then go to the properties, and then here you will find the dialog box. Under the dialog box, under sharing tab, go to the sharing tab, and here you will find a share option. Now you just have to add a member that with you want to share the file. Example, I want to share with everyone, and then hit add, and then once you have done this, here read, only read, permission level only read means everyone or you or your device can only access these files and read this file, not overwriting this file. So we'll change this permission to overwrite, and that's differ for different people, but I would like to overwrite, read, manage all these files from my phone. So once you have done this, click on share. This will take a little second, and then once you have do it, just go to the advanced sharing options and then click on the sharing folder. As you can see, it's ticked, but if it's not ticked, do this tick because it will appear into the profile. Okay, now once you have done this, you have to check a little thing that in the under the security option that there is account, user account, which is the everyone. That means the computer or this file will give everyone or especially you to access this file. Here everyone means not everyone will able to access your files. The people who are connected with the local area network along with the PC can access the local area network. Now after that, you go to the under the network tab, and here your PC name will be showing, and go to the PC name, and you will find the folder that you want to share with everyone through the local area network. Here you can see there are lots of files that I am right now currently sharing with my mobile device to give the access. Now we have done almost everything. Now the next step is to connect your mobile and your PC with a secured local area network that will give your phone accessing your PC files. So to do this thing, many people have a physical router in their home, so that will be very easy. You just have to connect your PC and your mobile with a physical router, and this will create a local area network. And this step is very easy, and if those peoples who don't have a physical router present at their home, like me, I don't have any physical router, I will create a virtual router in my PC, and that is also very easy. So in account of creating a virtual network, you don't have to download any kind of additional software, because you can do this by pasting some commands in the command prompt. This will enable the virtual router. Now I have some commands. You will get commands in the description, so this is not a matter of worrying. So just this command, you have to open the command prompt, and here paste the first command, which is to showing the network drivers. This will check that if you are able to create a virtual network in your PC. Now here you can see the drivers, vendors and providers of your Wi-Fi adapter are showing, and here the hosted network supported, yes, that means you are able to create a network or a virtual router or a hosted network. In the last, you can see the wireless display supported graphics and Wi-Fi driver, yes, that means the computer consisted the Wi-Fi driver. That means you are good to go to do this thing. Now coming to the next command, It is the command that will allow you to modify your SSID and key. Here you might ask that what is the mode allow. That means it will enable the hosted network mode in your computer, and SSID mean the username of your hotspot or a hosted network, and key means the password. So you will have to add a password or an SSID. Like I am adding a SSID that will show in my phone's device. Like I will add, and after that you have to enter a password to maintain the security of your local area network. Example, I am doing the password 12345 and hit enter. Right now I am not doing because I have previously saved a SSID and key, and I don't have to change it right now. So after you did, you just have to hit the enter, and this will allow the SSID and key and hosted network to work in your computer. Coming into the third command, is the main command, and before putting this command into the command prompt window, you just have to turn on your computer Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have turned on the computer Wi-Fi, and then copy the command, whole command, and paste it in the command prompt window and hit enter. And as you can see, the hosted network started. It's showing the command. That means the virtual router has been started. Now putting these commands every time is a little hassle, so we can also create a batch file like that. I have created a batch file. As you can see, this is the batch file, Windows batch file, and I can open the Windows virtual router with a single click. Now in the next video I will be showing you how to create a batch file. The batch file is one kind of a program or a software that will automatically put all your multiple commands, and this will be very easy and works as like a software. Okay. Now coming to the mobile, go to the mobile Wi-Fi network, and then you must see your PC or a virtual network. As you can see, Uncondel 10, that was my previously added SSID, and it is a secure network that I'm making sure that no one can break into the LAN network and accessing my PC files. So once your laptop's virtual network is connected with your mobile, you have successfully created a local area network. Now you just have to download an additional software in your phone that is called the ES File Explorer, and this is the best file explorer I found in the Play Store. All the links associated with this video are in the description, so don't worry for this. Now once you have downloaded the ES File Explorer, just go to the tab and the sidebar, and there under the network tab you will find the LAN representing the local area network. As you are connected with the local area network, as you can see, just click on a scan button. Now this will scan my computer. As you can see, the computer Uncondel is my computer's name. It is in the tab, and I click on this, and you can see all the files of a computer that I am currently sharing through the local area network. I also shared this sport videos in front of you guys, and these all the videos of my computer. It is not stored in my SD card or internal storage of my phone. This all is coming from the PC, and I can access, modify, edit, add files to it because I gave the permission to the everyone. So you can also play these videos in this file manager. So that was a super fast network. Just I have a feeling that it is stored in my phone, but not that. It is, the file is coming from the PC through the local area network. So you can also see wallpaper. This wallpaper is all stored in my PC. I can access it from my mobile phone, and as it is connected with a Wi-Fi network, it is very strong network, so it will also work in a different distance, in a very extended distance it will work, so no problem will be happen with that. You can also install applications from there, as it is stored in my PC, and you can also play some musics like that. Like, I can also play music from there. So that's super easy. So that's it guys, how you can access your PC files from your phone through wirelessly through the local area network. And in the next video I'll be showing you that how to create a batch file of virtual router, so that you can, in a single click, the virtual router will be on and it will work as a program and a software. And also some videos will be coming, like how to turn off your laptop screen without pressing any shortcut button or a press button, with just single press of the screen off button software, and then the screen will be off. And I think this kind of videos will be very exclusive videos, I think, maybe. And if you are eagering to know this kind of small techie tips which will make you feasible for the future, so you can subscribe me, because subscribing my channel is mandatory when you entering my channel first. So till now, bye bye, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.